Now let's look at a demo on Lambda using the console. I will create a Lambda function which is going to help me stop my EC2 instance. I have this EC2 instance in the running state. So let's see how we can stop this using some script in the Lambda function. I will type in Lambda into the search bar at the top. Let's click on Lambda. Next, I will click on Create Function. Here I will give the function a name. Followed by your favorite runtime. For my example, I'm going to go with Python 3.8. Next, we need to give our Lambda function permissions to actually stop EC2 instances. To do this, we will choose Change Default Execution Role. I will choose Use an existing role. I have created this role previously. This role allows Lambda function to make changes to our EC2 instance. Now I will click on Create Function. Scroll down and you will see Code Source. This is where you will enter your code that you want Lambda to execute. I will paste my code into this box. This code is going to look for instances which has a tag that says auto start stop equal to yes. If it finds instances with that tag and value, it will go ahead and stop these instances. I will select Deploy and next click on Test. If you're asked to create a test event here, simply give your event a name. Scroll down and click Save. Now click Test again, and there you go. It has been successfully executed. Let's go to the EC2 to check if the instance has been stopped. And yes, it has. It was only a matter of seconds for the code to stop the EC2 instance, and I didn't have to provision any server to execute the code. Because this is a demo, I executed the code manually. In the real world, you would probably create a trigger that will tell Lambda function when to execute your code. For example, you could add S3 as the trigger. We could specify that every time a new object is added into a bucket, this will trigger the Lambda function, and that's when the code will get executed. This is what we refer to as an event-driven architecture.